Hello everyone, welcome to another Contour Tool short video on showing you some of the projects we've been working on for the past year. Today we're going to show you a part that we received from a customer. It's aluminum casting, and from the onset it doesn't look like it's that difficult of a part, but it's all the internal workings that is the intricate part of this particular project. We had to come up with a way to work hold this part in such a way that we can machine both the IDs, and we'll show that to you here in a minute, in one chucking. There was always issues of non-cleanup and alignment between the two bores, which caused problems. So we were able to design up a fixture to hold this part and be able to attack both ends at the same time in the same chucking. If we look at a cross-section of a part, you'll see the two bores that are in here. Now from the onset, that still doesn't look difficult. However, these bores had to be held within plus or minus 3/10 of an inch. And like I said, non-cleanup was an issue with the customer previously on these two bores. This kind of led us into a direction of investing in some high-end tooling in order to accomplish this. And after we did that, we were able to hold the tolerances, but we also had to invest in some high-end tooling. We also had to do some high-end gauging. And if you notice here, we invested in an air probe system that allows us to check the bores to the plus or minus 3/10 tolerance. We also had to hold a 16 micro finish, which we were able to hold anywhere from an 8 to a 10 micro throughout the entire run. This is one of the projects that we have excelled in, and we would like you to take a look at our website and take a look at some of our other projects that we've worked on, and make Contour Tool your first place you stop. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.